So we got this Nissan Titan that he's saying is having issues turning the key. As we can tell, this key here is super wore out, like really wore. So we're gonna try a code cut key, and that should fix the issue. So because of how wore out this key is, some of these might be ones and they look like twos. I'm just gonna pick it. It's freaking windy out here. Out here at this beautiful dairy. And sure enough, it turns. The key was just really wore out. You know what they're saying? No English? Okay. That one is a good one. Yeah. So it'll turn. It will turn, but no start. Oh yeah. That no. Yeah. So that one worked, yeah. Alrighty, thank you. Have a good day. Feliz cumpleaños. Is that Merry Christmas? No? Happy birthday? Feliz Navidad. There it is.